So in this VN Video Editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to zoom in a video here on VN Video Editor. So a few different ways you can do this. The simplest way here would be to just tap on your video, slide this bar all the way over to the right. Now you can go to crop right here. You can zoom in a little bit, and then you can go ahead and save it. And that's a way you can, of course, zoom in your video like that. If you wanted to go back out and just go back to the original right here. Let me go back out and I'll just do it the original. Just like that as normal. You can also slide this bar to the bottom. So I'll add it all the way to the right to where it says zoom. Then select that, and then where it says zoom in, you can select zoom in right there. And as you can tell, when your video is zooming, or when it's playing, it's actually zooming in. And if you want to make it more intense, you can do that. I'll replay it right here, just like that. Right, it's zooming in, as you can tell, quite a bit. This is the most that it can do. So you're zooming in a video just like that. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can zoom in a video here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.